సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం మన పోకీమాన్ ఎమరాల్డ్ పార్ట్ 9లోకి వెళ్తున్నాం. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ది వీడియో. ఓకే, నేను ఇప్పుడు స్పీడప్ చేస్తున్నాను. నౌ ఓ హే జాక్, ఆర్ యూ షాపింగ్ టు? I bought a whole bunch of dolls and posters. Of course, I have also caught a lot of Pokemon and I am raising properly too. Actually, I am more worrying if you are raising Pokemon properly, Jack. I'll battle with you so you can show me your Pokemons, Jack. Yes, the Pokemon I raised won't be beaten by your Pokemon, Jack. I am thinking I am going back to Little Root soon. I have caught a decent group of Pokemons and my Pokédex is coming along, so I am going to home to show my dad. Jack, what are you going to do? Collect all the gym bats and take the Pokemon League challenge? Well, while you are collecting bats, Jack, I am gonna work on my Pokédex. I'll complete it before you. See you. నాకంటే ముందు కంప్లీట్ చేసిద్దంట, చూద్దాం. నాకు పని ఏంటి? Hey, you don't go near the cave in the cove. Why? You don't need a reason why I am the adult, so you just listen to me. వాడు చెప్పినట్టు చేయాలని నేను ఏమన్నా మీనింగ్ అర్థమైందిగా. What? Are you a team Magma Grunt? I hear that Team Magma is trying to awake an awesome Pokemon at their hideout. But where might their hideout be? What? Are you Team Magma Grunt? I hear that Team Magma is also after an awakening Pokemon at Mount Chimney. But what is that Pokemon? ఫ్రెండ్స్, మనం ఇప్పుడు ఫాస్ట్గా మౌంట్ చిమ్నీ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాలి. మీ అందరికి మౌంట్ చిమ్నీ ఎక్కడ ఉండదు తెలుసా? వాట్ I am not near awake yet. You can have this. Slap. Yawn ఏం చేసుకోను, నెత్తికి కొట్టుకున్నా. ఓకే, మనం ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? మౌంట్ చిమ్నీ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాలి. మౌంట్ చిమ్నీ ఎక్కడ ఉండిద్ది? Okay, I got an idea. Leverage now. Pike. The cable car is ready to go up. Would you like to be on it? Please step this way. Mount Chimney, jagged pass. Now, this is what I have always wanted in a mountain. This is jagged rumble. It's raw. Rock is my soul. Oh, this is boulder in shaking in a response to the magma emblem. దీనికంటే ముందు నేను ఒక చిన్న పని చేద్దాం మర్చిపోయాను. Our leader told us to dig into Mount Chimney, so we dug and dug. And in the course of digging, we came across something that blew our minds. What did we find? I will tell you if you beat me. అయినా చెప్పడాడు కకృతి. What a bluff. Hold it right there. You don't really expect me to keep my trap shut and let you waltz by me. Magma hideout. You can hear the tremors here sometime. Could it be the volcano rattling or is it grow? Oops. No, no, never mind. One of our guys were freaking out there. He lost his magma emblem. Wait a minute, was it you who found it? I don't have a bone to pick with you. I am just following orders. I can't stand heat. Maybe I should have joined Team Aqua instead. When Team Magma has roll call, we get important guarding assignments in the order that we line up. That's why I am stuck off in this corner. I am always late to roll call. Rare candy. It's very rare. సో అందుకే దానికి రేర్ క్యాండీ అని పేరు వచ్చింది. మామూలుగా అది క్యాండీ రేరు దొరికింది కాబట్టి రేర్ క్యాండీ. అందులో ఏముంది. What did I do to deserve this guard position? My left ear is burning. పాపం వాడు చెయ్యి కాలిపోతుందంట. వాడి చెయ్యి కాలిపోతే నేనేం చేయాలి? బ్యాండేజ్ అయినా పోయి. We joined so we can help our leader achieve his fantastic vision. I don't care if you are with the Team Agma or if you are just some kid passing by. No one interferes with us and gets away with it. I want to see Groudon too, but they won't let me see even its tail. It's got me feeling really frustrated. Oh no, I blamed about Groudon. Blamed. Soon, very soon, our guard objective will be achieved. You are not finished yet. You are not getting my by me easily. Hey, you made it this far, so I'll tell you. That's right. Up ahead, Groudon is sleeping. Maxie went to Groudon just seconds ago. It's going to awaken really soon. ఓకే, ముందుకెళ్తే గ్రౌడాన్ ఉండిద్ది కాబట్టి గ్రౌడాన్తో బ్యాటిల్ ఇప్పుడు కాదు, ఈడితో బ్యాటిల్. గ్రౌడాన్, nothing could awaken you from your sleeping, bathed in magma. The blue orb is what you sought, wasn't it? I have brought you the blue orb. Let it shine, awaken you, and show me the full extent of your power. Groudon, what's wrong? Wasn't that blue orb the key? Groudon, where have you gone? Oh, so it was you. I have seen you poking around, you uninvited, here and there. I get it now. You must have pulled a cheap stunt. There has to be some reason why Groudon fled. That's what you are trying to say, aren't you? You think I don't know that? With Groudon gone, there's no longer any need for this blasted volcano. I am going after Groudon, so this is where we part. ఓకే మనం లిలీకో సిటీకి వెళ్ళి మనం వెళ్ళాల్సింది సెల్టా పోర్ట్ సిటీకి. Yes, indeed, we instead to move ahead with our exploration. That's wonderful, Captain Stern. Thank you for taking this time for your busy schedule to talk to us. We hope we interview you again with news of more discoveries. Phew. That was my first time in the film for TV. That was never wracking. Oh, Jack, you are looking great. We made a huge discovery on our last seafloor exploration. We found an underwater cabin on Route 128. We think it's the habit of Pokemon that said to have been long extinct. Captain Strin, I presume we of Team Aqua will assume control of your submarine. Your objections are meaningless. We accept your total cooperation. Just watch and learn that Team Aqua has planned. What was that all about? It sounds like someone using a megaphone. Where did it come from? It's from the harbor. That submarine they are trying to take it. Jack, please come with me. Oh, not you again. You are the tentacle to track us here. That much I'll give you. But now, no one can stop us. No one. Or will you follow us back to our hideout in Lilico City? Huh. Why? Why would Team Aqua steal my submarine Explorer 1? They can't be after by slump merging Pokemon at the bottom of the sea, but even if I were to chase them, I don't stand a chance against them. ఓకే నేనే వెళ్దాం. ఫ్రెండ్స్ వాడు మనకి రూట్ నెంబర్ ఏమని చెప్పాడు? ముందు వాడి హైడౌట్కి వెళ్దాం. ముందు మనం ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? వాడి హైడౌట్. Max Elite. Oh my god. If you want to know the secret about our hideout, you have to be beat. Hey, you there. Which do you think is cooler, Team Aqua's uniform or Team Magma's uniform? నా యూనిఫామ్ మీ ఇద్దరికంటే బాగుందిగా. Or hideout secret? Well, let's just say they are submarines at the far end. But by now, सुबह ला fuel supplies loaded A. Okay. Incurious snacks loaded A. Okay. Nothing left to do but go A. Pesky medla. Hmm. This is supposed to happen. My mission was to just hold up. Ole. War plans, the hideout pride and joy. You are clueless about where you are, aren't you? Fluster and tires out the enemies, then lower the bloom. That our plan. That's our plan. When I joined Team Aqua, the first thing I had to learn was how these war plans connected. Hey, got here already? Do you? We underestimated you. But this is it. I am the cut above the grunts you have been seeing so far. I am not stalling for time. I am going to pulverize you. Uh, while I was toying with you, our boss got his preparations. Our boss has already gone on his way to see some cave under the sea. If you are going to give chase, you'd better search a big wide sea beyond Lily Cove. But will you find it then? నువ్వు కనిపెడతావా అన్నట్టుంది అది పిచ్చి మాలకు ముందు వెళ్ళి పోకెమాన్ హీల్ ఫస్ట్ వెళ్ళి కనిపెట్టేద్దాం ఏముంది Here I am sitting by a lonesome on this wide beautiful sea. There is no other words for it. This is pathetic. Okay, this is great. ఓకే. మనం మోసడాబ్ సిటీకొచ్చేసాం. పోకెమాన్ స్విచ్ మోసడాబ్ సిటీ జిమ్ లీడర్ దగ్గర ఎక్కువగా ఉండే పోకెమాన్స్ ఏవి? మీరేమనుకుంటున్నారు? ఓకే. నేనే చెప్పేస్తాను. Battling things on the strength of your spirit. The weak spirited will never win. The roads you have traveled, what you have experienced. Come at me, come at me with everything you have learned. Hmm, ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు దీంతో బ్యాటిల్ చేసి వెళ్ళాలి. When you lose to me, don't be too hard on yourself. It's not your weak. I am just too strong. Even at the risk of life, I will win this battle. You are not getting through to the end, not if I can help it. At last. Were you surprised? Were you surprised that there are two generators? We are twins. We don't need to talk because we can each determine what the other is thinking all in our minds. That's combination of ours. Can you beat it? It's a 200%. Okay, this makes interesting. Okay, really interesting. What our combination was shattered. It can't be helped. You have won. So I in recognition take this. Jack received Mind Badge from Tati and Lisa. The Mind Badge enhances the special attack and special defense of Pokemons. It also lets you use the HMO dive outside of bed. You should also take this one. Calm mind. Hmm. Okay friends, thanks for seeing my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.